So a real common problem people have is their grass grows too high between the sidewalk and the street. And of course when it rains, we're simulating that with the garden hose. You can see it. We're just letting it flow. This whole area floods. What we've got to do is find the lowest point. You can see that water coming down the hill. So what we're going to do is put on a 3-inch pipe, 4-inch grate, fits right on top of the 90. Sink this down below the sidewalk, trench a line over, hook that up with our PVC, use this expansion joint at the curb to cut the concrete to let this water escape from here. So once we have this trenched out, we're going to go right down along that sidewalk and make that real clean. We're going to take our concrete saw, we're going to cut a little V right here. So after you made your cuts, remember you make 3 cuts. 1, 2, 3. Take your pry bar, pop it in on both sides, and that should just pop right out of there. You see how easy it comes out. We just made it wide enough to get our 3-inch pipe to come right here to the end. We just need water to come out through the trench. That's it. We're going to go ahead and make a measurement for our PVC. We just want it to go right to the curb and right up to our 3-inch 90 with the grate. Make a little mark, cut it off. And if we got it right, it should fit right in there. Just perfect. Put the lid on, then we'll cover this section up, and we're done.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.